Welcome to the video of the steam turbine power plant equipment. In this video, we have set the torque assembly. We have disconnected the electrical generator from the turbine and connected this belt which moves to this force meter. It will show us readings in kilogram. We have set the boiler at 8 bar pressure. Now we will run the turbine. We have cooling water flow rate at almost 3 lpm. We will turn on the oil pump. Oil pump has been turned on. Now I will turn on this meter. And I will apply some load. We will apply some load to this turbine. By rotating this knob. We have applied almost 50.5 kg of load. Now I will turn on this valve. I have loosened the load. Now it has zero load and I am turning this valve on. Now I will apply the load by rotating this knob. Now I have applied almost 0.12 kg of load on this turbine. Almost 0.9 kg of load is applied on this turbine. Now we will measure its RPM with the help of this tachometer. It is giving me almost 3000 RPM and 0.1 kg of load. Now I will turn this back down. And I will turn on this oil pump and boiler burner. So this is how we will find the mechanical torque on the turbine.